Bananas are one of the most eaten fruits in the world. But how do they go from these giant green plantations to perfectly clean yellow bananas on your kitchen table? Let's go behind the scenes, inside a factory that processes millions of bananas using smart machines, powerful cleaning systems, and modern ripening technology. This is Built by Machines, and today we're going inside a bananas mega factory. From field to factory, from green to golden yellow. This is how the world's most popular fruit is handled, sorted, cleaned, and shipped, by machines that work faster than the human eye can follow. The process starts here, on large banana plantations, mostly found in tropical countries like Ecuador, Colombia, and the Philippines. Bananas are harvested before they're ripe. Workers carefully cut down bunches that weigh around 40 to 50 pounds. Each banana has to be handled with care, because even a small bruise can make it unsellable later. Once harvested, the bunches are packed into padded boxes and sent straight to the factory, often within hours. Modern plantations now use drones and sensors to check crop health, track moisture levels, and prevent diseases. That means fewer chemicals and better bananas. At the factory, bananas are unloaded using automated forklifts and robotic arms. No time is wasted. They're moved onto long conveyor belts where high-speed cameras scan every bunch. These machines look at color, size, shape, and even detect small defects on the skin. Using AI software, the bananas are automatically graded. Premium quality goes to supermarkets. Second grade may be used for banana chips or baking. Damaged or overripe bananas are sent for compost or animal feed. It's fast, efficient, and far more accurate than manual sorting. Next comes the cleaning process, and it's not as simple as rinsing under a tap. First, bananas are hit with high-pressure water jets to remove dirt, dust, and latex, a sticky substance that leaks from the stem. Then, they go through ozone mist chambers. Ozone is a natural gas that kills bacteria and viruses without leaving any chemicals behind. Finally, they're dried using air turbines. The goal is to keep the banana peel clean and undamaged, because a good-looking banana sells faster. This factory can wash up to 1.2 million bananas every single day. Now it's time for ripening. Bananas are loaded into sealed ripening rooms, giant temperature-controlled chambers where the air, humidity, and gas levels are all carefully managed. Inside, a natural gas called ethylene is released in small amounts. This triggers the bananas to ripen, slowly and evenly, over several days. The timing has to be perfect. Too fast, and the bananas will spoil before reaching stores. Too slow, and they'll still be green on the shelf. Factory workers and AI systems work together to monitor the process every hour. Once ripe, bananas are packed automatically into protective boxes, each one scanned and labeled with its origin, grade, and destination. The boxes are then moved into cold storage, kept at around 13 degrees Celsius, or 55 degrees Fahrenheit, to slow down ripening. Even after packaging, the job isn't done. Every single box of bananas goes through quality control checks before it's cleared for shipping. Technicians open random boxes and inspect bananas for color, firmness, and any signs of overripeness. If there's even a small issue with temperature or ripeness, the entire batch can be redirected or held back. Each box has a barcode and tracking number, linked to a digital system that logs everything, from where the bananas were harvested to which ripening room they were processed in. This means if there's ever a problem, the source can be found in seconds. It's part of a system called farm-to-fork traceability, and it's becoming the new standard in modern food production. So what happens to the bananas that don't make the cut? Nothing is wasted. Overripe or damaged bananas are sent to composting units, where they're broken down into fertilizer for farms. Some banana waste is even turned into biogas, a clean energy source that helps power parts of the factory. Peels and plant material are also used to create animal feed or even biodegradable packaging in experimental facilities. And many mega factories now run partly on solar energy, cutting down on emissions and running costs. This is the future of food, cleaner, greener, and more circular. Once sorted, packed, and quality checked, the bananas begin their final journey. They travel in temperature-controlled containers, carefully monitored from port to port. Ships carry them across oceans, trucks deliver them across continents, all while maintaining just the right temperature to keep bananas fresh, but not overripe. When they finally arrive at supermarkets, the bananas are usually 5 to 6 days old, but look like they were picked yesterday. From cutting the bunch to landing in your fruit bowl, it's all timed with precision. A global supply chain powered by machines, data, and logistics. From farm workers in tropical fields, to engineers running powerful machines, to AI tracking bananas across oceans, this is what it takes to move millions of bananas a day. This is built by machines, and if you enjoyed seeing how everyday things are made on a massive scale, hit that subscribe button. We've got more real-world factory stories coming your way.